My friends, welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review. I hope you all are doing well. What I have here today is a chair from OneTigris. I've been testing this out for the last couple of months, and in this episode, I'm going over my agenda-free thoughts. If you're familiar with this company, you know that with certain products from OneTigris, they come and go very quickly. They oftentimes change designs. One second the product is there, the next second the product is gone. One of those products happens to be their folding camp chair. I'm not even sure what version the company is on now because their chairs come and go from the market so quickly. The same could be said for their tables, their folding camp tables. One second they have a table on the market, the next second they don't. For some reason, this is how OneTigris works. Anyways, folks, what I have here today is their latest folding camp chair. And they call this the Tiger Blade Camping Chair. In this episode, I'm going over my thoughts, and we might as well begin. My name is Luke. This is the Outdoor Gear Review. Thank you very much for tuning in. As I mentioned before, OneTigris constantly revamps their products. So the chair may be out for a while, then it's gone, it comes back, and there's something different about it. In the case here with the Tiger Blade, this chair is in fact different. With the vast majority of folding camp chairs out on the market today, they set up the exact same way. Basically, you have a frame, and then you have a fabric seat that goes over the top. With most folding camp chairs, once you have the frame put together, it's time to put on the seat. Putting the seat part aspect on can be difficult because it can require quite a bit of strength to pull the fabric over the poles. That is where this chair is different. OneTigris has come up with a way to make the entire setup process nice and easy. While removing the struggle aspect of putting together one of these folding camp chairs, they have had to make some compromises, namely with size and weight. When you compare this to your average folding camp chair, this is heavier, and the storage size is larger. With the chair inside of the storage bag, this is 13 inches long and it's 5.9 inches wide. Now let's compare it to your typical folding camp chair. You can see here next to this Nature Hike chair that the OneTigris chair is quite a bit bigger. At the same time, it's quite a bit heavier. The OneTigris chair weighs roughly 1 pound more than the Nature Hike chair that you see here. When looking at these two chairs side by side, you may not be able to tell much of a difference on screen there. But in person, there is a substantial difference here, not only in terms of weight, but size. This is quite a bit bigger, larger, and heavier than this here. Is there a deal-breaking difference between these two chairs? No, but there is a difference. With this chair here, this is what you receive. You have the storage bag, there's a grab handle on both sides, one zipper to open this up. Here we have the seat. And here we have the frame. Putting together the frame is very similar to other chairs. Similar, but yet different. While we're looking at the frame here, what we have are the polymer hubs and the aluminum frame poles, and also feet. What makes this chair different than your typical folding camp chair is the fact that the frame itself can move, whereas most frames are stationary. They're locked into place. This one here opens up and ultimately locks into place. It is this movable aspect that makes putting the seat on easy. I'm gonna show you all how this all works and how it locks into place before I put the seat on. Once I put the seat on, you may not be able to see this in such great detail. So the legs themselves, they spread apart, and you can see that the center pole here pushes out. When you pull it far enough, it locks into place. And that creates the frame for this chair. To undo it, you push down and the legs go back together. Now let's put the seat on. So it goes over the posts in the back, and then you put it over the posts in the front. That is very easy, much easier than most camping chairs. At this point, it is time to lock that center pole into place. You grab it and just pull out until you hear the click, and now the chair is good to go. Before I touch upon the stats of this chair and move to my review, I should mention that there are side pockets on this chair. We have one on each side. Now everyone, let's go over the stats concerning the Tiger Blade chair. As far as price goes, you're looking at $40 for this system. For a foldable camp chair, that is more than fair. In fact, that beats most camp chairs by 20 bucks or so. This chair comes in one color and you're looking at it Coyote Brown. The weight of this chair is 3 pounds on my scale. As far as the material goes, you're looking at a 600 denier polyester fabric. You have polymer hubs along with a 70-75 aluminum pole system. Let's go ahead and let's measure this chair up. When you're sitting in the chair, you are 11.5 inches off of the ground. The front lip of the chair, 14 2/4 inches off of the ground. The back of the chair peaks at 26 inches. As far as the width on the inside of the chair goes, you're looking at about 15 inches. The overall seating depth is right at 13 inches. And the back height is 19 inches. The weight limit of this chair is 330 pounds according to One Tigris. Now, when it comes to versions of this chair, as far as the easy setup version goes, the Tiger Blade, there's only one version. But with that being said though, at the time being, One Tigris has 4 additional chair models on their website. Most of the time the company has 1 or none, but for some reason at this moment they have 5 chair models, including this one. Some of the chairs are focused on being lighter weight, some are focused on being more comfortable. The company without a doubt has plenty of options here. Now my friends, let's go over my list of pros and cons for this chair, and let's start with the pros first. Without a doubt, this is a very well made chair. The quality is excellent, the stitching is excellent, there's no issues here, no loose threads, nothing like that. One Tigris is a company who has really upped their game as far as quality goes. They know how to make quality products, and it shows with this chair. Every stitch is perfect here. There's no issues. Everything really does look professional. Everything looks really good, especially for that price of 40 bucks. As you all saw with the setup process, it is super simple to set this up. There's no struggle at all. Breaking down the chair is just as easy. As far as the comfort goes of this chair, it is not bad at all. You can lounge back, you can sit up and do what you need to around your fire or cooking or whatever. On a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the most comfortable, I would give this a 9. This is a very comfortable chair, just as comfortable as any outdoor folding camp chair. Next, I like the appearance of this chair. The coyote brown with the black accents from the frame and the pole system. In my opinion, this looks good. As far as the usability case goes with this chair, you can use this for just about anything. Overlanding, truck camping. For backpacking purposes, you could definitely use it, but it is a little bit heavy and it is a little bit big. I would say it just barely fits into that category. If the chair was any bigger, any heavier, I personally wouldn't want to carry it, but where it's at right now, I think it's passable. The weight limit for this chair is very good. The overall seating height is very good as well. It's comfortable, easy to get into and out of. If you have some sort of mobility issues, I think this is going to be okay with you. Of course, it does depend on what issues you have specifically. But overall, I think the seating height is going to work for most people unless you're super tall. Even at like 6'2", I think you'll be fine. If you're above 6'2", you may want to try this chair out before you purchase it, or be prepared to send this back. I've already mentioned how good the price is, and I'll state that one more time. For $40, this is very impressive. Your average camp chair that's not from a name brand company is going to run you at least $20 more than this here. From a name brand company, you may pay $120 more or more. That takes us over to the cons that I have for the chair here. The biggest con that I have is that this chair is not the most stable out there, and that's due to the triangle frame. The front legs that are right underneath your legs, they are wider than the back legs. Because of that, it creates just a little bit of instability, especially when you're on rocky, uneven surfaces. When you're sitting in this chair leaning back, you're fine. If you're leaning to one side or the other, you need to be careful because the legs, they're not evenly spaced out. It doesn't take a whole lot for you to lean too far one side or the other to have this chair flip over. Overall, this is not that big of an issue. As long as you're sitting normally, you'll be fine, but you do need to be alert to that. If you lean too far to one side, maybe you're going to like grab something, you could tip this chair over. Whereas other camp chairs, you won't have a problem. The last con that I have for the Tiger Blade chair is the fact that this chair includes no feet. And this is something that you will need to consider. If you're sitting the chair down on soft soil, as soon as you sit down on the chair, it's gonna sink right into the mud, right into the dirt. So you will need some sort of solution. You'll need some sort of block to prevent you from sinking in. As far as the pros and cons go for the One Tigris Tiger Blade chair, that's pretty much it. I've presented you all with all the information that you need so you can make an educated purchase decision. In the end, I like this chair. There's nothing wrong with it. For backpacking purposes, it's right at that line. Are you willing to carry that much weight? Are you willing to carry a chair of this size? Only you can answer that question. At the same time, the chair only costs $40, which is impressive. So without a doubt, you have a lot to think about here. Additionally, if you've ever had any sort of issues putting together one of these folding chairs, this is something that you should consider because the overall setup process is super easy. And at the same time, breaking it down, super easy. I want to thank you all very much for tuning in to this episode. If you found it helpful, hit the thumbs up before you go. I do appreciate it. Folks, take care, be well, strength and honor. See ya.